exercise 4.1 fourth question. Practical geometry. Construct a line segment using ruler and compass. Ruler means it is a scale. Okay, we have to construct the line segment using ruler and compass. First problem. Construct a line segment. How you read this? Line segment AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter. For this problem, you have to draw one straight line. Without measurement, you have to draw one straight line. Both the sides, you have to use arrow mark. You have to give the name L, straight line L. You have to mark the starting point. Line segment name is AB. So, the starting point is A, end point B. You have to mark starting point somewhere. Okay, you have to mark starting point A. With this starting point, we have to measure 7.5 centimeter. With the help of ruler and compass, take a scale, compass. Yes, like this you have to measure. Listen students, the starting point compass needle you have to keep on 0. Then you have to measure 7.5 centimeter. Yes, 7.5 centimeter, you know, 7 after 5 small lines. Yes, students, yes, now you have to measure 7.5 centimeter. Yes, after this, the compass needle, keep on compass, you have to hold this place. Compass needle, keep on A. Then you have to draw one arc. Okay, students, yes. You have to denote this intersecting point. This name is intersecting point. Okay, this is B. So, this is the required line segment 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Then after completing this, you have to measure with the scale. Okay. Yes, it is 7.5 centimeter. Student, second problem, line segment CD is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Same procedure. First you have to draw the line segment, straight line. First you have to draw the straight line L without measurement. Okay students, yes. Then you have to mark what is the starting point? C. You have to mark the starting point C. Okay. Then with the help of ruler and compass, yes, ruler and compass, you have to measure 3.6 centimeter. Yes, you have to keep the compass needle on starting point 0. Then you have to measure 3 after 6 small lines. Okay students, yes, 3 after 6 small lines, that is a 3.6 centimeter. Yes, after measuring this, keep the compass needle on the point C. Yes, you have to keep the compass needle. Then you have to draw one arc. What is this name? Arc. Okay. The arc intersecting point. Arc and the line intersecting point D. It is D. Yes. For this is 3.6 centimeter. With the help of ruler, you have to measure from C to D. 3.6 centimeter. Okay student, this is 3.6 centimeter. Third problem, line segment QR is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay students, yes. First you have to draw the straight line L. Straight line means, you know, both the sides you have to use arrow mark. This arrow mark denotes no end. You have to give the name L. Mark the starting point Q. Okay, what is the starting point given in the question? Q. Yes, we have to measure 10 centimeter. Yes students, yes, you have to measure 10 centimeter. Exactly, you have to measure 10 centimeter. Then after measuring this, keep the compass needle on the starting point Q. Then you have to draw the arc. Okay, the intersecting point is R. Yes, students. So now you have to measure with the help of ruler. What is the meaning of ruler? Scale. Yes, it is 10 centimeter. Okay, students.